Hello friends, today we are discussing the topic from differential calculus 1. So here we have the topic as equation of circle of the curvature. So let us consider what are the formulas we are using to identify the circle of the curvature as well as the center of the curvature. So here we have let x comma y be the center of the curvature and rho is the radius of the curvature at any point x comma y of the curve. Then the equation of the circle of the curvature is given by x minus capital X whole square plus y minus capital Y whole square equal to rho square. So here we have given capital X and capital Y as the center of the curvature and rho is the radius of the curvature. So what are the formula we are using here for the center of the curvature? Here we have, so center of the curvature is given by capital X comma Y. So whereas the capital X takes the equation as x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square divided by y2, and capital Y is equal to y1 plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. So here we are using the notation of y1 is nothing but differentiating y with respect to x, and the second y2 stands for d square y by dx square, second derivative of the given equation. So these are the two equations we are considering for identifying the center of the curvature. So now we'll consider one simple example how to identify the center of the curvature and the equation of the circle of the curvature. So here we have the simple example. Find the center of the curvature and equation of curvature of the curve is given by y is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 1 at the point 1 comma minus 1. So points are given as 1 comma minus 1. We have to consider the curve as y is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 1 to identify center of the curvature as well as the circle of the equation of the circle of the curvature. So here we have the solution. The given curve is given as, once again we have written the given curve. Now what is the first step here? First step is we have to differentiate the given equation. So differentiating y with respect to x, notation we are using as y1. y1 is equal to x cube becomes 3x square minus 6 into 2 12x plus 3. So here we have the first derivative y1 is given by 3x square minus 12x plus 3. So now we'll substitute the points. What are the points they have given in the question? That is 1 comma minus 1. So y1 of 1 comma minus 1 is equal to, substitute x is equal to 1. So 3 minus 12 plus 3 will have 3 plus 3, 6. 6 minus 12 is minus 6. So we'll get it as y1 at the point 1 comma minus 6 as minus 6. Similar way we have to do for second derivative. So already first differentiation we have the equation. With the help of this we'll go for the second differentiation. That is d square y1 by dx, we'll get it as y2. Notation we are using here as y2 is nothing but a second derivative of the given function. So here we'll get 3x square becomes 6x minus 12. So now y2 is equal to 6x minus 12. So if we'll substitute the points as 1 comma minus 1, again we'll get 6 minus 12 as minus 6. So we got the value of y1 is also minus 6 as well as y2 also minus 6. So now with the help of this, first we'll identify center of the curvature. As we discussed already, the formula we are using, the center of the curvature is this thing. X is equal to x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square by y2. As we have taken the value of y1 as minus 6 as well as y2 as minus 6. If you substitute that for the given point, what is the value of x? They have given 1 comma minus 1. So that we can take the x value as 1. So here x is equal to 1 minus of, what is the y1 value? Minus 6 into 1 plus, as y1 is minus 6 whole square divided by minus 6. So if you simplify this, what you will get here? 36 plus 1 is 37. So here minus into minus plus, but here we have the negative sign. 6 get cancelled. So 1 minus 37 will have minus 36. So center of curvature for the first point we got capital X as minus 36. Similar way we'll go for the another variable, that is y, given by the formula y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. So here what is the y point from the given question? It is given as minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 plus, as y1 we have minus 6 whole square divided by minus 6. So here we have minus 1. This plus into minus will have minus only. So minus 36 plus 1 is 37. So minus 1 minus 37 by 6 will have minus 43 by 6. So we got the center of the curvature as minus 36 comma minus 43 by 6. So here we have, hence the center of the curvature is x comma y is given by equal to minus 36 comma minus 43 by 6. So we have got the center of the curvature. So now we'll consider the equation of the circle. So equation of the circle, here we have the equation of the circle of the curvature is given by x minus x whole square plus y minus y whole square is equal to rho square. This we are calling as equation 1. Now we have to substitute x and y, but density, that radius of curvature, we have to identify. So to find the radius of curvature, we know that the radius of curvature in the Cartesian form, the formula is given by rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square to the power 3 by 2 by y2. So already we know what is the y1 value and y2 value, that will substitute here. 1 plus y1 we have minus 6 whole square, you know minus 6 whole square is plus 36. So 1 plus 36 to the power 3 by 2 divided by minus 6. So this is equal to minus sign minus, this is minus of 37 to the power 3 by 2 by 6. So we got the radius. But here you can see the RHS part, we have radius square. If I'll make the square on both sides, we'll have rho square is equal to minus into minus plus, square and 2 get cancelled, we'll have 37 to the power 3 by 36. So rho square we identified as 37 to the power 3 by 36. Now already we have the center of curvature, that we can substitute here the value of x and the value of y. X we got as minus 36 and y we got minus 43 by 6. That we have to substitute in the equation 1. Now we'll substitute the value of capital X, capital Y and this radius of curvature. That is, here we have the values. So after substituting those values in the equation 1, now the equation 1 becomes here x plus minus 6 whole square will be 36 whole square plus y plus 43 by 6 whole square, which is equal to 1407.03. This is, we have 37 to the power 3 by 36. So now we have to simplify this with the help of the formula a plus b whole square. As you know, a square, that is x square plus 36 square plus 2 into x into 36, plus the similar way here we have to identify a plus b whole square, that is y square plus 43 by 6 whole square plus 2 times of y into 43 by 6, which is equal to 1407.03. So now we have to collect x square, y square and the coefficient of x and y and the constant term to write the final solution of the given equation. So here we have x square plus y square plus 72x plus 14.33y. After subtracting this b square, this is 36 square and plus 43 by 6 whole square, with this value we'll get it as minus of 59.67. So this is the equation of the circle of the curvature. Equation of the circle of the curvature as well as the center of the curvature we solved for this given example. Thank you.